Are you having trouble with skin issues like dryness, itchiness, or irritation? Well, you're not alone. Many people don't realize that the type of water we use can actually affect the health of our skin. So today, we're here to settle the score in the ultimate skin health showdown: hard water versus soft water. Let's start with hard water. This type of water contains high levels of minerals like calcium and magnesium. While these minerals are essential for our overall health, they can wreak havoc on our skin. Hard water can strip away our natural oils, leaving our skin dry and dehydrated. On the other hand, we have soft water. Soft water goes through a process of filtration, removing those minerals found in hard water. This means it's much gentler on our skin. Soft water helps to keep our skin moisturized and can even alleviate conditions like eczema or psoriasis. So what's the verdict? Soft water takes the crown when it comes to skin health. But if you happen to have hard water at home, don't worry. There are solutions. Installing a water softener or using a shower filter can reduce the impact of hard water on your skin. Additionally, incorporating moisturizing products and drinking plenty of water can help combat the effects of hard water. Remember, taking care of your skin is important, and the type of water you use can make a difference. So, make the switch to soft water for a healthier, more radiant complexion. Thanks for watching our Skin Health Showdown. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks to keep your skin happy and healthy.